You're watching EAC News. Thanks for joining us. While completing his voter registration in Tacmau City, Kandal Province on Thursday morning, Prime Minister Hun Sen made an appeal to other political parties, asking them to distribute donations and food to citizens who have been badly affected by the floods. EAC News reporter Dekanin has more.
The Prime Minister stressed that anyone can pitch in to help citizens who have been affected by the floods, not only the government or monks. He encourages all those who can afford to do so to help ease the burden of flood victims. Prime Minister Hun Sen shared that he plans to visit and distribute donations to flood victims in Battambang, Posat, Mantiminjay and Siem Reap provinces over the next few days to help alleviate the suffering of the affected people. The Prime Minister stressed that he is not doing this as an opportunity to promote his election campaign. Dekanin, EAC News.